Mass 3. Today I have special guest Bobby home with me.
Thank you for inviting me. So today we're cooking the Grand Manu Souffle.
Let's get started.
Let's start with the ingredients. First, you need some eggs, then some sugar, some flour, some powdered sugar, some orange peels, some milk, some vanilla, and for the kids, some bourbon and triple sec.
First we start with an egg. Oops. First we start with an egg. Oops. First we start with an egg. First we start with an egg. You're going to separate the yolk from the whites.
And there we go, we separated the yolks from the whites.
Next, you put butter in a bowl and melt it. So about 30 seconds should do. Then you add the butter and get your little brush and put it all over the walls. Make sure you get all of it. Then after that, you dump the butter out. You get your sugar. Put as much sugar as you want in there. Make sure you get it all over the butter. Perfect. Then what you want to do is you get a little rag. Make sure you get the little top. All clear it off. Just like that.
Okay, so next step is you're going to get all the egg yolks, put them in a bigger bowl. You're going to gradually stir it and add 3/4 sugar. And you're going to add a little bit of vanilla with it as well. And you're going to add some liquor. And remember, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
So you want to add your egg whites into a different bowl so you can stir it. You also want to add a little bit of salt. Or if you don't have cream of tartar, you want to use some lemon juice as a substitute. Yeah. You beat it until it turns white, like it'll kind of look like shaving cream. You'll do this for about 2 to 5 minutes until it looks like shaving cream biscuit.
Then you're going to put 1/4 of the white mixture into the liquor.
The rest of your white mixture into it, and you're going to fold like this.
And then you're going to put in the rest of the ingredients.
Now after we finish mixing all of our ingredients together, you'll pour what you have in here. Just like that.
And finally, you're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
And leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's golden brown. Here you go, the perfect souffle.
Can't wait to eat that. See everyone next time.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, hot.
It's not really good.
Ew! It's like
Oh!
It does.